Everyone, in this video, I will guide you how to resolve the content file logged error in Steam, which typically occurs when the client is unable to write updated files to your disk. You can follow these steps. Right-click on the Steam shortcut and select Run as Administrator. Open command prompt as an administrator and type net winsock reset. Then press enter. Restart your computer afterward. In the Steam client, navigate to Steam, Settings, Downloads, and click on Clear Download Cache. Go to your Steam library. Right-click on the game that is causing the error. Select Properties, then locate Files, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Sometimes antivirus softwares can interfere with Steam's ability to update games. Temporarily disable your antivirus and try updating the game again. If none of the above steps work, uninstall the problematic game and reinstall it. This ensures that all game files are fresh and uncorrupted. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the content file log error and continue updating your games on Steam without further issue. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Until next time, goodbye.